ChatGPT can write you an email, but it can't send it. An AI agent can. It opens your inbox, writes the draft, and hits send on its own. That one difference, doing instead of just answering, is what this video is about. In 5 minutes, you'll know what an agent is, how it thinks, and why it sometimes goes wrong. Start with what you already know. A chatbot takes your text in and gives the text back. That's it. Nothing outside the chat window ever changes. The brain inside is called a large language model. That's the AI behind ChatGPT. A system trained on huge amounts of text to predict good answers. Smart, but words are all it makes. Think of it as a brilliant advisor locked in a room. You slide questions under the door. It slides back great answers. But it can't leave the room. An AI agent is that same brain with the door unlocked. It can search the web, run code, check your calendar, send that email. Same intelligence plus the ability to act. You've probably seen one already. When an AI assistant searches the web before answering you, that's an agent at work. So how does it decide what to do? That's the clever part. Every agent runs the same simple cycle. Think, what's my next step? Act, do that one step. Observe, what happened? Then loop back and think again. The agent also holds on to a goal the whole time. After every lap, it asks itself one question. Am I done yet? If not, it loops again. It keeps looping until the job is done. You already work this way. When you cook a new recipe, you read a step, do it, check the pan, and adjust. Nothing is scripted in advance. The agent reacts to whatever it finds, one step at a time. But thinking alone moves nothing. The act step needs hands. Those hands are called tools. A tool is one action the agent is allowed to take. A web search, a calculator, a button that sends email. How does it choose? Every tool comes with a plain English description of what it does. The agent reads that menu each turn, like you'd read a takeout menu, and picks whatever moves it closer to the goal. It's like a new intern with a company laptop. Access to real systems is what makes them useful, and what makes their mistakes matter. Let's watch all of this run on one real task. You tell an agent, find me a cheap flight to Tokyo next Friday. It thinks, I need dates and prices. It acts, calls a flight search. It observes, 40 results, next lap of the loop. It thinks, you said cheap. It sorts by price, drops the 2-day layovers, and picks the 3 best. One more lap. It checks its goal, cheap flight, next Friday. Found, done. Only then does it stop and report back to you. Notice what you didn't do. Click through 10 tabs yourself. The agent ran the whole errand. So should you trust it with your credit card? Not so fast. Here's the catch. If the agent makes a wrong assumption early, every loop after that builds on the mistake. One wrong turn and it keeps confidently driving. And agents can be fooled by what they read. A misleading web page or a stale price can send the whole loop down the wrong path. Booking the wrong Friday costs real money. A bad poem costs nothing. That's the whole risk difference between chatbots and agents. So good agents come with guardrails. They pause and ask you before anything big. Spending money, deleting files, sending messages. Here's the one-line mental model. An AI agent is a language model in a loop, with tools working toward a goal. A chatbot answers you, an agent acts for you. Agents are showing up in everything. Browsers, code editors, customer support. Now you know exactly what's under the hood. If this made agents finally click, subscribe for more plain English tech explainers.